Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Lauren.
And I'm Jordan.
And today we're going to tell you how we saved $2,000 without even knowing it.
Sounds pretty nice, eh?
Okay. So basically, when we had this idea, we were 17 years old.
I'm pretty sure it was your idea.
It was my idea. I had this obsession with money, and basically the whole point of it was I wanted to create something that was bigger than a piggy bank where we could save our spare change in.
Yeah, we had a piggy bank about this size, so...
Yeah, so we decided we got this shoebox and we taped it up and kind of decorated the outside so that we couldn't get into it.
The only way in was the slit for the money. So.
Yeah, we had this little money slit and that's the only way you could put money in. You couldn't really get anything out unless you destroyed the box.
Yes.
So we wanted to do that so then that way we wouldn't be tempted to take money out if we needed it or whatever.
And you can see if you went in.
Yeah. So I'll insert a photo here of the box that we created. And then we just wrote the date that we started it, which was April 24th, 2017. 2016.
2016.
Oh my gosh.
April 24th, 2016.
Sorry.
It is now 2020.
It's 2020. So okay. Basically, when we created the box, we made a goal that kind of had a timeline of when we wanted to open the box by and have it full by. So our goal was for when we wanted to move in together or move out of our houses. So as you can see, we're living it right now. But so basically all the money that went into that box was for moving in together. Yes. And then we decided that if we had any other savings goals, once that box got full, then we would make another one for something else.
Yeah.
To start this box out, we decorated it and then we literally just put in our spare change. Yeah. I think I transferred over my money from my piggy bank that I had. Yeah. And then any spare change, just random, we would put it into the box.
It's insane how much change you actually have.
Oh yeah, like, when you collect it.
We used to have like $60 in change. Like we'd save it up and then put it in, count it.
We had fun. A lot.
It was fun.
It was really fun. And then eventually, once we both got actual jobs, because I think at the time
you were babysitting.
When we started it, I was babysitting and Jordan I think was working. But once we both got part-time jobs or part full-time, I don't know what we were working with.
I have no idea.
Okay. Once we got kind of more consistent paychecks, we decided on an amount that wouldn't set us back a lot each month, but was enough that it would make a significant difference in the savings process. So for us, we decided on literally $25 each.
A month.
So $50 a month. We would go take cash out and put it into the box because we kind of found that over time, we just use debit and credit a lot more than cash, as I'm sure you guys do too. And we found that we weren't really getting a lot of change every month anymore. So that's kind of why we switched to doing a set amount every month instead of just spare change. With that being said, with the set amount, we would still put in any extra spare change that we had along with the $25 each a month. Yeah. So that way we knew for sure that we were at least going to have a roughly $600 a year in the box with just the $50. And then
any extra was a bonus, really.
Yeah, look at the camera when you talk.
Any extra was a bonus, really.
So basically, once Jordan got accepted into school that was 6 hours away from where we were living, we kind of figured that we would be moving out or something would change. So that is when we decided to open the box, and it was getting really full.
It was probably 25 pounds.
Yeah, like we didn't want to take it back and forth if we were living in between, and we didn't know what to do with it.
And it was flammable.
Yeah, well, and we decided that we kind of wanted to put it into an account where it would grow a little bit of interest as well. Yeah. With banks these days, interest is not a lot, minimal. But it's okay. So we decided to open it. So we went to literally the dollar store and got those little rolly tube things for change. And we cracked it open and counted everything out. And we ended up having $2,000. Yeah. So about 3 years worth of time of spare
Just
change
and
and
$25.
yeah,
But-
a small amount every month was literally $2,000 at the end of it.
And then you don't even realize it. Like,
No.
you, in the moment, you're just putting money away, and that money's useless to
Yeah.
you in that moment of time.
You
But
forget
then you
about it.
open it, and you're like, oh wow, all those moments of time that
Yeah.
they've been useless is now coming in handy.
And we would also put in, like, if we got birthday money or something and we
Yeah.
had like a big amount of cash, we would sometimes throw in like a $50 bill or a $100 bill every here and there
Yeah.
just to kind of top it off. But like,
We were also children,
We
so
were young.
we didn't have anything to pay for.
yeah,
So
that's
that was
true.
the smartest thing I think we did, was
Yeah.
we saved up for the time that we had to pay for stuff.
Yeah,
And
kind
it
of.
really helped us out.
We knew that once we were going to move out together, whether this money would go towards a month of rent or groceries or gas, like bills, whatever, we just knew that we would put it towards something that would help us out. And that's kind of why we decided to do it, because it's an expensive time when you move out together,
Mhm.
obviously, or by yourself or whatever. So
Well, personally, we used it as like a cushion.
yeah, it
Like,
was
we didn't
kind of...
even spend any of it.
Well, right now, so what we did with the money was we took it to the bank and we put it into just a regular savings account, and then we ended up transferring it into a GIC account, which stands for a guaranteed
Investment
certificate. So that way it would make a little more than just the regular interest amount. So it's locked in there for a year, we did, or
A year.
so it's kind of locked away right now. We can't do anything with it, but the reason we did that was because we also had our own savings accounts with enough in there to cushion us. So we decided that we could just put that money away as if it's in a box again. It'll just make a little more money. So anyways,
Save your money.
so basically, yeah, savings is one of
Hers.
my favorite things to do.
Well, when I met her, I was a spender.
Jordan was a spender.
I would spend all my money on her.
Yeah. But I mean, obviously it's good to spend too. Like right
Yeah.
now I'm trying to be better at that with actually spending more instead of saving it all, because like experiences are important too.
Yeah.
And so now, especially living on our own, we have bills to pay, we have to pay for the place we're in, and we're happy as can be, but just to have that savings cushion is super important. So let us know if there's any other money savings videos. I'm sure we're going to come out with a couple more savings tricks that we use, because we do have a lot, and budgeting and stuff. So we're gonna
She really loves money.
We're
It's
gonna-
insane.
we're gonna put out some of those videos. But yeah, I really loved the box method of the box method. What can we call that? Like,
Oh, the box method.
it sounds weird.
The
Okay,
box method.
the box method
Yeah.
of savings, because it's just a way to save without knowing and without having any access to it, so you're not tempted to spend it. And you can kind of decorate it any way you want. If you want to put photos of what your goal is, that's a really cool idea. We didn't really have anything at the time.
we put a map.
We put a map.
We cut out a map and glued it on top, so it was like cute, like
It was kind of to signify that like
a
we're
map of our life.
wherever we ended up moving to.
It was a map from BC. It was like
I know.
Kelowna, BC.
Well, we didn't know. So, anyways, I think if you guys are gonna try this method, I would suggest like printing out photos if it's for
Yeah.
a wedding or if it's for a baby or for your house, and print out photos of that.
Yeah.
Put it on. So then when you're putting money into it every month or whenever you
Whenever.
decide, it kind of will remind you of what you're saving up for and make you feel good about it.
Yeah.
So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let us know if there's anything else you want to see like this, or if you guys enjoyed this. And subscribe to our channel if you're
New?
I suck at doing these.
I don't know what to say.
Okay, like and subscribe down below, and turn on the post notification bell if you're interested in these videos and you want to get notifications for them. That was pretty good.
That was professional.
Thanks.
Yeah. That sounds good.
Alright, anyways guys, we will see you guys in the next one. Peace out, YouTube.